Today we're making garlic fried rice, also known as this. And I'm gonna save myself any mispronunciations, and we put that on the screen. Garlic fried rice is a Filipino dish. A couple weeks back, I visited a food truck. They had garlic fried rice on their menu, and I got me a container of it, and it was delicious. A couple days ago, I was thinking about, man, I could really go for garlic fried rice, except I didn't know where the food truck was. So today, I'm gonna try and make my own. We got everything we need. It's a fairly simple dish. Very few ingredients. There's a couple different ways to make it, but this is what I show you today. This is how we're gonna make it today. We need some scallion. So we're gonna chop up our scallion, cut off the root. Just like that. We want both parts of the scallion, the white part and the green part. So we're gonna chop that up. Next, we've got some garlic. I've got these monster cloves of garlic, and so I've got about 4.5. You can be pretty heavy-handed on the garlic, but I decided to conserve a little bit, and this is what I'm using. So, cool tip with garlic is you can just cut off the end instead of smashing it, and the majority of the time, they're a lot easier to peel that way. Never mind, looks like we're smashing it. Try to get that peel off. We'll get back to you when these are peeled. All right, so after the great garlic debacle of 2024, chop it up. We want a nice mince on this. And that's what we're going to try to achieve. Right? The great garlic debacle of 2024. We're gonna turn our heat on, medium-high heat. We're gonna drop about 3 tablespoons of oil and let that heat up. Drop in your garlic. And already those aromas are gonna be flying. What we're gonna be looking for is a light browning on the garlic. Shouldn't take too long. So now what we've created is a garlic infused oil. And we're gonna throw in a little bit of our scallion. We're gonna wait about 30 seconds and we'll add our leftover 1 to 2 day old rice that's been fully cooled. And then we got about 3 cups of rice. You want to break up any big chunks. Now that we've given our rice about a minute, we're going to do about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And after about a few minutes of messing around with it, it's probably done. And then, for the piece de la resistance, we're gonna fry a couple eggs. Get our pan cleaned out. And put that pan right back on the thing. We're gonna give it a medium-high heat. Maybe a little green. Put about a tablespoon and a half of oil back in the pan, fresh oil. I'm gonna let that heat up. So I'm gonna do 2 fried eggs. All right, we'll give these a flip. Ooh, I'm almost out of salt. We're gonna season them with a little salt. Kiss of pepper. Get that out of here. More green. Hold on. There you go. We got garlic fried rice right there. Garlic fried rice. It's a quick one, it's easy, it's a good lunch. I'm gonna take a freaking bite. I've been waiting all day to make this and have some. Got that runny yolk. That's the move. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.